everybody, welcome back. Cricket here with another plan with me. This one is in my Hobonichi, and I am loving this kit. I fell in love with this kit and I could not wait to get it. This is from So Cute Planner. I do have a code for her. It's PRCRI 318 for 20% off. I just fell in love with this kit. I love snowflakes. It's my jam. Everything about it, snow, ice. Even my Christmas tree is done in a snowman and icicles and stuff. So anyway, this is one of my favorite kits. And here are your full boxes, your 3 heart check boxes, habit trackers, top washi, bottom washi, dates. And I'm going to try to see if I can't catch it. See, I used her blue numbers, and I'm going to show you here in a second. But here's water trackers, flags, payday, bill dues, little icons, and some scripts and post-it notes. I went ahead and used Cheerful Planner Girl's, I'll show you her icons. So they look like this. They're hand drawn. I just fell in love with those. So I did use those. I do have a code for her, and everybody that I use and I have a code for, I will let you know that it's down in the description below. But here is the date dots that I used from So Cute Planner. How pretty are those? Are they not beautiful? And then her scripts, and then the weekend banner. I love them. So, and she gives you like 2 months worth. So, you know, it's awesome. And so go check those out. This is my wellness planner. So I am using this to like track my diet, my moods, my pain levels, because those that have watched me before know I have fibromyalgia, and you know, just keeping track of certain things. I've been asked several times, why do I put the weather strip down? Like, why do I put weather down for that? And it's because weather affects my disease. If it's cold outside, if it's rainy, whatever, it affects how I feel. It just does. And it makes it rough sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. But you do what you got to do, and you live, and you go on with it. But that's the reason why I put the weather strips, you know, the weather down. I don't know why other people do, unless it's for the same reason, or that they just want to keep track of the weather. But that's the reason why I do it. So it makes sense to me, pretty much. But you know, it may not make sense to others. It's okay. So, but I do, like, I keep track of my Weight Watcher points. I do all of that in this one right here. And let's see. I love the fact that she's got her days all in one strip too, to be honest with you. That makes it easier for me, because I am not gifted in the realm of being even and straight, so this helps. As you can see, I'm sitting here pulling it up. But that's the other thing I wanted to show you. Her stickers come up easier. See? So for, like, you know, anybody that uses the Hobo, they know that how sensitive and this paper is. So yeah, that makes a huge difference. So, and her weather strip is in the same thing. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the weather here, or if I just want to go ahead here. I think I'm going to go ahead and just do the weather where I normally would. Just not to throw me out of whack. Doesn't take much, to be honest with you. So, and this kit, beautiful, guys. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let's see. I do want to use these. These are from Craft Penguin Planner. I got to get my handy dandy tweezers out. I'm trying to figure out. I think I'm just going to use the light blue, and it's like stickers for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I love these, so I'm going to use those and put them right here. And that way I can write for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But yeah, I like my Hobonichi. I have not been really good to it. I even told y'all before, I've misbehaved with it. I have not even ordered my new Hobonichi. So I haven't decided if I'm going to order a whole new Hobonichi, or if I'm just going to get the inserts. I like the inserts, and so I do use those. I do, the paper's different, of course, than the Hobo. But, I mean, and if I do, I still will do plan with me's with it because, you know, it's still a planner. Whether, whoop, I grabbed two. Whether you're, you know, using inserts or not. I mean, there's no difference to me. I know that, like, I cannot put it, like, my Plan with me's and stuff, I can't put it on the Hobonichi site. Good Lord, I keep picking up the same. Evidently that one wants to be used. I don't know. I know, like I said, I can't put it on the Hobo site, but that's fine too. Because I have a ton of kits and I want to be able to use them. But just don't know necessarily if I want to wait. Because I've been bad about, you know, not ordering it. So, you know, that's my bad. I do have this beautiful snowflake washi, and this is from So Cute Planner, and I have been dying to use it, and I think this is the perfect kit to use it on. I am team use washi, by the way. I'll use it once I can find the ending, but I think I'm going to separate this. Let's see if I can do it. There's a line right there, so I'm going to see if I can't use that line. Because, like I said, I told you before, I'm really, really bad about it. Let's see if my... Sorry, I'm moving my camera, guys. I'm going to see if my... Oh, it does. It rips beautifully. Awesome. Okay. So what I'm going to do right there is I'm going to put down these, and that way I can write down how many points I used, not only on what I ate, but how many points I, you know, total for each day. That way I can kind of keep track of how I'm doing. I haven't decided on which plan I'm going to do. I have a friend, she's wanting me to do, I can't remember. It's the one where you can do the pasta, but you get less points. They've changed everything so much, I can't remember what color it is. I want to say it's purple, but there's blue, purple, and green, I think. I don't know. So anyway, but I think this will work out. This gives me enough room to write down what I've eaten, and then right next to it how many points each thing was that I ate, or the meal itself. So that's all I need. All right, so there's your hearts. I think that's perfect, absolutely perfect. That worked out. Like I said, Craft Penguin Planner for those. And then let's see. So for right here, I'm going to do, I got these little scripts made from Cheerful Planner Girl. So I'm gonna just put that right across the top, Weight Watcher points, so I know that's where I'm putting that. And then let's see. I think she does have a meal one, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm just going to put that one right above it to write down that. So I think that's going to be perfect. Okay, so then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to use this habit tracker right here, and then this habit tracker on top. You know what? No, I can't do that because I need to do something else. Hold on a second. Might have to do these habit trackers side to side. Let's see. I'm gonna put this one right here. Did you see how easy her stickers came back up though? That's awesome. Especially on a hobo. I think I'm gonna put this one right next to it. Let's hope I don't have to peel them back up. So I'm not gonna like really, really push down. So that will be good because I want to use these. These are from Cavern Studio. They are the mood trackers and then the pain trackers. So I want to be able to, I think there's enough room for each one of them for me to put like the mood, what mood I was in. And I'm hoping I have the right amount of colors. I think it'll work. But I'm going to put my moods first real quickly. Let's see. I have to order more. I am totally in love with these mood stickers. I am loving them. So I'm just going to use all the different colored blues. Good thing I got extra, huh? I use that one, and I just need one more. Oh, perfect. And then that one right there. So there are my moods. And then, let's see. So then I can put the pane right on top, and that takes up just the right amount of room, y'all. Let's see here, I did this one. Oh, I did it right. Okay. They're kind of going downhill a little bit, that's all. It's driving me crazy, just a little bit. Okay, so let's put down this one. It's a lot of blue, huh? But it works for me. I love it. I hate that I have to do this, but I think it's perfect for me to be able to keep track of everything. Okay, so I got those done. Those worked out really great. And then let's see. I do want to use some stickers, so I'm gonna have to like really write little. But I'm not gonna use all of them. I am gonna use some. I don't want to cover up my washi either. How bad is that? Okay. And I think that's it, guys. I am in love. And then I can put down extra stuff when I need to. So I love it. I love it. So this is my wellness planner. Real quick on this right here. This is, one is for medicine and one is for taking my makeup off. So I will add the medicine. I don't think I saw one for medicine. So I probably will just write that in on there and go from there. All right, guys, that is it. I hope that you liked this plan with me. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And hit that bell to notify you when I have my plan with me's and my sticker hauls. So I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Wish me luck on diet. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.